Hello everyone, welcome to solve this problem, which is t power of 4, which is equal to 64, which is an exponential equation. So find the value of t from the equation. Solution. So we have t power of 4, which is equal to 64. So in order to solve this problem, we have to multiply both sides by 4 in order to eliminate or in order to isolate the variable t. So t power of 4 multiplied by 4 power of 4, which is equal to 64 power of 4. Now, from rule of exponents, we know that a power of m power of n can be written as a power of n power of m, which means this n comes to inside the bracket. So this will be, applying this problem rule, this will be t power of 4, because this 4 will come to inside the bracket power of t power of 4, which is equal to 64 power of 4. So from here we can rewrite 64 as 8 times 8, which is equal to 8 square. So t power of 4 power of t power of 4, which is equal to 64, which is 8 square power of 4. So again, from rule of exponent, a power of n power of m, which is equal to a power of n times m. So applying this rule into this equation, it will be t power of 4 power of t power of 4, which is equal to 8 power of 2 times 4, which is equal to 8 power of 8. So let's compare the exponent. So t power of 4, which is equal to 8, and when we come to the base, t power of 4 is equal to 8 as well. So now let's find the value of t from this equation. So to find the value of t from this equation, simply isolate t. So in order to isolate t, we have to multiply the exponent by 1 over 4 on both sides of the equation. So this implies that t, which is equal to 8 power of 1 over 4. Let's verify the equation. We have t power of 4, which is equal to 64. So having t, which is equal to 8 power of 1 over 4. So t, which is 8 1 over 4, power of t, 8 power of 1 over 4, power of 4, which is equal to 64. So when we multiply this one, 8 power of 4 power of 8, which is equal to 64. So when we multiply this one, 8, 1 over 4 times 8, which is equal to 64. So 8 power of 8 over 4, which is equal to 64. So 8 divided by 4, it is 2, which is equal to 64. So 8 square is equal to 64, which is equal to 64. So our answer for the problem t power of 4, which is equal to 64, t is equal to 8 power of 1 over 4. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.